What's up, guys? My name is Shay White, and thank you so much for joining me. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to follow me on social media at itsshaywhite on both Instagram and Facebook. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Your girl would greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, let's get in today's video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a review on some Briogeo goodies. So there are so many reasons why I love this brand. It was created and owned by a black female. Give it up for Nancy Twine. And secondly, all of the products are clean and non-toxic, which is really important to me. And then lastly, they have such a wide variety of products that cater to all different hair types. Whether you have straight hair, curly hair, dry hair, thin hair, they have a product that works for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the shampoos and the mask hair treatment, which I'm super excited about. If you're interested in seeing how it turns out and what my thoughts are, then keep watching. So I'm starting off with the Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo. It smells really good, and this is what the texture looks like. So I'll start off by applying it to my roots and around the edges. I'm gonna actually part my hair down the middle to make sure I am getting the scalp. I continue making several parts throughout my entire head just to make sure I'm getting my entire scalp saturated with the shampoo. I'm using my fingertips to massage the shampoo into my scalp and cleanse it properly. I'm making sure I'm getting all sections of my hair, and it's very important to use your fingertips instead of your fingernails because the fingernails can be way too abrasive for the scalp. This creamy micro exfoliating scalp shampoo contains mild coconut derived cleansers and plant-based exfoliators to help gently remove dead skin and impurities from the scalp. The coconut and tea tree oil blend helps to moisturize the scalp while also soothing dry scalp itchiness. I'm really enjoying this shampoo because you can feel the actual tingle. It has a very invigorating sensation to it. Next up is the deep conditioning hair cap system. The first step is the deep conditioner. I really like the texture, and you get a good amount in the packet. So then I just disperse this throughout my hair, almost from the roots to the ends. This hair mask is a Reader's Choice Award winner from Allure, so you know it works really well. So this contains a unique blend of coconut, avocado, sweet almond, and argan oil, and hair essential vitamin B5 and biotin, which helps to revitalize dry and damaged hair to look and feel visibly healthier and stronger. And it also fortifies the hair ends against future damage and helps with shine and moisture. After my hair is fully saturated and detangled, it's now time for the second step. So I tie my hair up in a loose bun, and then I'll put the conditioning cap on, which is also lined with argan oil, and I'll sit with this for 2 hours. So the conditioning mask has a light scent to it. It's not the greatest, but it also doesn't smell too bad. I really like how it left my hair feeling ultra soft and very easy to detangle and manage. So now I'm just going to use a brush to get all of the kinks and tangles out. I typically detangle my hair with my fingers, but this time I decided to use a brush because I plan on allowing my hair to air dry and just wear it as is. So it was important to get all of the tangles out. I made sure I rinsed out all of the hair mask. I know some people like to leave a little bit of it in just as a moisturizer, but to get the true effect of how well the product works, I decided to make sure I removed all of it. So this is what my hair looks like after removing the product. The curls look pretty good. It's very moisturized, detangled easily. It worked really well on my hair. And my hair was left feeling clean but not stripped of its moisture, which was great. So 2 hours later, this is what my hair looks like. I absolutely love the products. As you can see, it is nice and fluffy, very voluminous. The curls are still defined. If you take a closer look, there's a lot of definition. I'm absolutely in love with the results. And again, this is with no products in my hair. Look how soft it is. I'm very happy with the results that I got. and I'm loving my natural no product curly fro. So that wraps up my review. As you can tell, I am in love with the products. They did such a great job. For me, I know sometimes you see reviews and people will wash their hair, condition it, and then add stylers and gels and then show you the results. And it's like, you don't really know how the shampoo and conditioner did because you added other products on top. So it was very important for me to show you guys how my hair turned out with absolutely nothing else. And as you can tell, the curls came out great. To say that there were no products added, I still had definition. The hair was light, fluffy, but cleansed and moisturized. Very easy to detangle. Definitely winners. So I think it's very important to all my curly girl and natural hair sisters out there for us to learn to embrace our natural hair texture. No matter how it looks, how frizzy it is, like learn to love it and embrace it. Like your hair doesn't have to be perfect, but each curl being well defined and in unison and well hydrated, like that's nice and stuff, but on an everyday basis, that's not realistic. It's the texture and the frizz and the curls and all those things that make our hair type unique. And I think it's important that we learn to love and embrace that. So moving forward, I will be wearing my natural hair more often. This right here is day 2, the end of day 2. I did manipulate it a bit today because I was filming other things, but still no product. I added a little water just to sleek the ponytail, but there's no product in my hair. And sis, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So I just wanted to encourage those who may feel a little insecure about their hair texture and not being perfect. It's totally fine. I have my own flaws. As you can see, there's a little frizz and it looks good. I got volume. My hair is completely different textures in different parts. Like the bottom is like a 3B texture. Sometimes once it's stretched out, it loses its curl, and it's not heat damage or anything, but the curls are just more loose on the bottom of my hair. And then you have the crown where it's more kinky. It's almost like 4A texture. So like, it's okay to have different curls, different textures. It's okay to have a little frizz. It's what makes us unique. And I want us all to love our natural hair. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to comment and share with your friends and family. Also, let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see hair related. Do you want me to do more tutorials, show you different hairstyles, share more products, give you more informational tips about how to grow long hair? Whatever you're interested in, please let me know. And that is it for now. I'll see you in the next video.